We are excited to announce our brand new RPT dual action driver. We have 3 kits available. You have your 10-piece RPT Metric Hex, you have your 10-piece SAE Hex, and then you have your 13-piece RPT Star set. In the Metric Hex set, it goes from 2mm to 10mm. In the SAE set, it goes from 5/64 to 3/8. And in our RPT Star set, it goes from T8 to T60. These are 22mm in length. They are also a 1/4 inch drive, so you can use them on your ratchet, or you can use them with a wrench. You can use an 11mm wrench, or you can use a 7/16 wrench if you need to access those tight to reach areas. Now everyone knows the new cars these days, it's getting harder and harder to access those areas. When you compare it to a 3/8 ratchet with our 10mm hex, and you compare our RPT dual drive next to this RPT dual drive bit is 54% shorter than our standard hex bit. And if you combine that with a ratchet like this, you can see that is a decent amount of space that you're gonna need to use it. But now with our RPT dual drive, you're gonna be able to access those tight to reach areas. You can see with the wrench on there, we're only up to about right there. So this is our brand new V2 rail, so it has locking end caps as well as locking nubs. So all you do is push right there, and it'll pop right out, just like so. And then to disengage this locking nub, you would just twist, and it'll pop right out. But as you can see, the rest of those are locked in there, so it will not fall out. So then to re-engage the locking nub, just twist. And to re-put on this, all you do, line it up like that. Once you have about 1/4 way right there, just push all the way, and it will snap right into place. And this V2 rail is going to be available for sale in the future individually, and then all of our future sets are going to be on this V2 rail. That is our brand new RPT dual action driver coming in RPT Star, RPT Hex, and our Metric RPT Hex. This is going to be a game changer in the industry, preventing damage from happening in those tight access areas.